Hey, Ken here at Waters Garden Center, and this spring, kind of harrowing with the COVID-19. We didn't know what Governor Ducey or Prescott Mayor Mangarelli were going to do. Were they going to shut us down? Not. Thank you to both of them for seeing garden centers on gardeners' behalf as essential. They need their seed to start their gardens, fruit trees to be able to eat out of the backyard, herbs, all of that. All that happened this last spring. It ignited Waters Garden Center, our activity here online. So we were busier than ever here at Waters Garden Center because everyone was in their backyard quarantined. Well, we had this tremendous energy of consumers wanting to buy online, wanting to see what we had here at the Garden Center, and that's why we launched top10plants.com. That points you right to Waters Garden Center. You can find this pansy. This is a frizzle sizzle pansy. You're only going to find it here at Waters Garden Center. You can go online, look at annual flowers, and this will pop up. You can shop to see how it grows, where it likes to be, how tall it gets, water needs. You'll see this milkweed. Milkweed's hard to find. Well, people kept calling us going, do you have? We're going, we're not even sure, it was so busy. Now we're putting this online every morning. You can see what the current inventory is of the different varieties of milkweed here at Waters Garden Center. Roses, we got an entire rose section. We sold over 3,000 roses here at Waters Garden Center. We just couldn't keep up with the activity. Well, now you can go online and take a look. You don't even have to call us. You can actually see live data even better than we can answer it on the phone. This is a Grace and Grits shrub. It's a bicolored pink rose. You'll see all the roses you can find here at Waters Garden Center. Over here you're seeing Portulaca Snapdragon's a great fall colored plant. Spring and fall is when you see this. You don't see it in the summer. So this is not going to be on our website in the summer. Only when we have it actively here at the Garden Center, you'll be able to see the different colors. We've been getting the Garden Center digitized for 4 months now. We finally launched it. It's very exciting. In fact, I want to show you, we set the entire website up as though you were shopping the Garden Center right here. Let's go take a look. I'll show you around the old website and see what it's all about. Follow me. So welcome to my office. This is where I do a lot of my writing, radio shows, podcasts, also where we developed the website. This is my desk here. A little embarrassed to show it off, but my screen, if you go to watersgardencenter.com, you're going to see a button right there at the very front that says Shop Waters Online. Let me take you in. Okay, and here we are at the main website, watersgardencenter.com. This is the drone shot you're seeing, classes, just it's our main website. We embedded this particular tab, says Shop Waters Online. If you hit that, it'll take you right to the digital store where you can go look at the plants we have here at the Garden Center right now. We put some banners in just so you know it's us. Here's the old Garden Center, just people, it's the staff basically. But up here, you'll see flowers. You go down to perennials. So you'll see all the perennial department. Here's all the flowers that you'll find within the perennial here at the Garden Center right now. So Shasta Daisies. If you pop that open, click on that one and go, oh, Shasta Daisies, $17.99. It gives you a description, the Latin name, full sun, weekly watering, grows 15 by 15 inches tall, and they actually look like that right now at the Garden Center. You could hit add to cart. It'll actually add it to your shopping cart. Go continue shopping and go look at now, let's say plants, trees. We organized the trees and digitized them so that you can just shop evergreen trees, fruit trees, flowering trees, or shade trees. Let's go to evergreens. So here's all the evergreen trees you're going to find at Waters Garden Center right now. Let's go to this, let's go to this Dwarf Alberta Spruce. There you go. It's $22.99 for a gallon size. Gives you a description, the Latin name, full sun or partial sun, regular watering, goes 4 foot by 5 foot. So you can kind of see what it looks like. Plants, go back to shrubs. Oops, my bad. Shrubs, again, evergreens. We've got roses or deciduous shrubs. So your butterfly bush, rose of Sharon's, crepe myrtles, barberries, they're all going to be under this particular, let's go to Russian sage. 1 gallon Russian sage, one of the most famous blooming shrubs, gives you descriptions. Let's see, we got to modify a little bit, 3 to 5 feet tall and wide. so animals don't eat it. We're trying to, again, go with plant foods, soils, insect control, weeds, just all the areas, the way you would want to shop. You can put together your list. Go to checkout here. Put together your list. You could hit print right now and you just, oh, I want to go look at these things at the garden center. Or you could go buy and we'll have them waiting for you, either your gardener or you here at the garden center. Or you could call us and we'll come deliver and plant it for you. But that's Watters Garden Center and the top 10 plants you'll find easily accessed here at Watters Garden Center.